Don't eat it. Bring it to Mom. Bring it here, 50. You're not going to, but cheers, everyone. Want to sponsor me? This is our first night in the woods. We're going across Canada and the US. And right now we are just outside of Seattle. And our first night warrants a bottle of Dom. And to all of you who think I should have a champagne glass, I got one. Oh, and check out what I'm reading tonight.